Welcome to the Cathedral Basilica of Our Lady of the Pilar in Saragossa. Spanish Cathedral Basilica de Nuestra Señora del Pilar is a Catholic church in the city of Saragossa, Aragon. It is dedicated to the Blessed Virgin Mary under the title of Our Lady of the Pilar, praised as Mother of the Hispanic people by Pope John Paul II. It is reputed to be the first ever church dedicated to Mary. Local tradition take the history of this basilica to the spread of Christianity in Roman Spain, attributing to an apparition to Saint James the Great, the apostles who is believed by tradition to have brought Christianity to the country. This is the only reported apparition of Mary to have occurred before her reputed Assumption. Many of the kings of Spain, many other foreign rulers and saints have paid their devotion before this statue of Mary, Saint John of the Cross, Saint Teresa of Avila, Saint Ignatius of Loyola, and Blessed William Joseph Chaminade are among the foremost ones. The Basilica of Our Lady of the Pilar is one of two minor basilicas in the city of Saragossa, and is co-cathedral to the city alongside the nearby Liceo de Zaragoza. The architecture is of Baroque style, and the present building was predominantly built between 1681 and 1872. Apparition of Pilar. According to local tradition, soon after the crucifixion and resurrection of Jesus, Saint James was preaching the gospel in Spain, but was disheartened because of the failure of his mission. Tradition holds that on 2nd January 40 AD, while he was deep in prayer by the banks of the Ebro River, the mother of Jesus appeared to him and gave a column of jasper and instructed him to build a church in her honor. This place is to be my house, and this image and column shall be the title and altar of the temple that you shall build. First chapel. About a year after the apparition, James is believed to have had a small chapel built in Mary's honor. The first church ever dedicated to her after James returned to Jerusalem. He was executed by Herod Agrippa in about 44 AD. The first apostle to be martyred for his faith, several of his disciples took his body and returned it for final burial in Spain. This first chapel was eventually destroyed with various other Christian shrines, but the statue and the pillar stayed intact under the protection of the people of Saragossa. Numerous churches have been built upon this site through the years. The tiny chapel built by St. James later gave way to a basilica-like enclosure during Constantine time, subsequently being transformed into Romanesque, then Gothic, then Mudéjar style. The venerated shrine of Saragossa date to the Christian reconquest by King Alfonso in 1118. A church in the Romanesque style was built under the pontificate of Pedro de Librana, who is also credited with the oldest written testimonial to the Virgin of Saragossa. A tympanum on the south wall of this Romanesque church still stands. The Romanesque church was damaged by fire in 1434, and reconstruction began in the Mudéjar Gothic style. A Gothic-style church was built in the 15th century, but only a few parts of it remain intact or were later restored, including the choir instead, and the altarpiece and alabaster by Damian Porment. The present spacious church in Baroque style was began in 1681 by Charles II, King of Spain, and completed in 1686. The early construction were supervised by Felipe Sanchez, and were later modified by Francisco Herrera the Younger under John of Austria the Younger. In 1725, the Cabildo of Saragossa decided to change the aspect of the Holy Chapel and commissioned the architect Bentori Rodriguez, who transformed the building into its present dimension of 130 meters long by 67 wide, with its 11 cupolas and 4 towers. The area most visited is the eastern part of the chapel because this is where the Holy Chapel by Ventura Rodriguez, 1754, is built, which house the venerated image of the Virgin. Around the Holy Chapel are the vaults or dorms painted with frescoes of Francisco Goya, the Queen of Martyrs, and adoration of the name of the God. So, ito na yung the other parts of Holy Week procession. After our city tour, we stopped near the church, the Cathedral of Basilica, and there is still the procession parade, the last parade of the last days. So, ayan, dito sa Saragossa, mayroon pa rin after ng city tour namin, mayroon pa rin procession. So ayan, naglakad-lakad kami at sumusunod dito sa procession ng Semana Santa dito sa Saragossa. So at least na-visit lang namin ngayong araw mag-city tour at saka yung mag-visit sa cathedral or basilica ng Del Pilar dito sa Saragossa. It's worth it naman na mag-visit sa church kahit may bayad. Kailangan talaga tingnan sa loob ang basilica para malaman natin kung nandyan ba talaga yung mga historian na nangyari noon. The Feast of Our Lady of Pilar, celebrating the first apparition of Mary to Hispanic people, is on October 12. This coincides with the Día de la Hispanidad and the date of Columbus' discovery of the New World. Every nation of Hispanic colonial origin has donated national basements for the 15th century statue of the Virgin, which is housed in the chapel. Pope John Paul II praised El Pilar as mother of the Hispanic people during both of his visit to the Basilica. Ayan, maraming tao pa rin ang nanonood sa last days at sa last night ng afternoon ng procession dito sa Semana Santa sa Saragossa. Marami pa rin tao pero mas okay dito dahil malapit ka sa mga prosesyon. Doon sa Sevilla talagang hindi ka makalapit at mayroon bakod. Sumalayo ka talaga kasi from bakod ang kapal ng tao. So kung nandun ka sa gitna, puro ulo ang makukuha mo sa pagkuha ng video. So kailangan talaga nandyan ka sa harapan ng paredyo. Maaga pa lang nakapila na ako dyan. May dala akong upuan at saka sombrero, tubig, kung ano man pag nagutom. May snack ako rin. Kaya maganda yung aking kuha ng video. Nakakatuwa naman kasi maraming bata ang kasali sa mga drummers. Ayan, daming bata. Tsaka ang init-init kaya niyan. Kawawa naman ang mga yan. Pero wag ka ha. Talagang disciplinary talaga yun, ang kanilang parade, procession pala. Daming drum din, hindi lang 5. Minsan 100 pa, sakit sa tenga. Pero nakaka-enjoy naman at iba-ibang color. Ito green, mayroon blue, may green yung hood nila na matulis. Yan green, tas meron din hood na blue, meron red, meron black, meron brown, ano pa ba? Mayroon brown, mayroon white, at mayroon din yellow, white. Marami yung mga color yan eh. So ayan, kasi dahil maaga tayo nakatayo, may dala tayong upuan na maliit, nasa backpack parati naka-ready. Ayan, maganda yung ating kuha sa prosesyon dito sa Saragossa. So, pagkatapos nito, kinabukasan, uuwi na kami, papabalik ng France, pero dadaan pa kami sa village, last village ng Spain, at bago kami umuwi sa aming city. Enjoy pa rin ang panonood nila, talagang nakakabingi sa tinga kasi malapit talaga ako eh. Pero enjoy naman talaga ako. Dito sa Saragossa, nandito lang yung aming hotel malapit dito sa city center. Kaya kahit doon sa bintana namin nakikita, kaya lang mas gusto ko bumaba dito sa malapit. Pero guys, grabe ang brotherhood nila rito Every Semana Santa, lahat ng mga lalaki na yan, nag-join yan sa ganyan group brotherhood nila. Grabe At nakakapagtaka, nakakagulat na yung brotherhood nila ay very strong, parang military ba. Kaya ayan grabe, ako nga hangang-hanga ako sa kanila, grabe. So dito sa Saragossa, pag Semana Santa ganito, karamihan sa malalaking commercial center sarado. Grabe din ang turista ngayon, kahit last days na at last hour na ng procession, marami pa rin tao. Ayan ang kalsada talagang grabe. Pero mas maganda rito dahil hindi nilagyan ng bakod. Kasi mahirap pag bakod dahil hindi ka makakuha ng video. Ganda pa naman ng color green at white na yan. Talagang nasa harap talaga ako. Pakiramdam ko, tinitingnan din ako ng mga yan Yan. So, huling-huli na yung mga iba-ibang color ng hood nila. Green, ang may white, at saka yung brown. Ayan. Sobrang ganda naman talaga. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my videos. See you on my next travel vlog. Ciao, ciao.